Hello, English learners. How are you? Hope you all are doing fantastic in your happy life. Welcome back to my channel, Sona English Academy. My name is Sona and I am from UP. So today is the day 9 and I'm just gonna tell you a very interesting topic, a very interesting activity which I used to do when I was the beginner. And so before diving into the main topic, let me just tell you one thing that you might be watching, you might be observing that it is for the first time that I'm on the terrace because it is 7 o'clock in the morning and my son is sleeping in the room. That's why I couldn't show it there. So I'm here on the terrace and this is for the first time that I am on the terrace and making video while walking, because I wanted to make such video because it makes me feel happy when I want to discuss something and I speak before the camera. So if I commit mistakes, if I uh, do anything wrong, so please forgive me. It is for the first time that I am wondering and I'm making video, right? So before let's dive into the main topic. So the activity which I'm going to tell you today is explaining. Yes, you might be surprising that yesterday only I told you how to describe the things, and today also I'm just going to tell you how to sorry, how to describing the things. No, I'm not going to describing the things. I'm just going to describe movies, your favorite actor movie. And it becomes quite interesting when you have become tired of explaining the things, describing the things, talking about so many topics, right? But today we are going to describe something different, and I'm not just going to ask you to make a story, because when we prepare a topic, when we make a story, we have to think much, and in this thinking we guess we get confused in speaking. So today I'm just going to tell you a very interesting topic that you have already in your mind, the stories of your favorite actor and actresses. It becomes quite interesting, because quite enjoyable as well, because when we talk about our favorite hero, favorite heroines, it becomes very interesting, because when we talk about them we feel very happy and it becomes very enjoyable, because if something if you like some movie, if any movie is your favorite movie, when we talk about, when you tell the story of your favorite movie, you will feel enjoy, because when we talk about the things, we don't enjoy actually. We just talk just because we want to talk, we want to improve our spoken, and that thing is always there in our mind, so we don't enjoy much. I'm just asking you to enjoy, because if we start enjoying something, the process become very easy and the goal becomes approachable. We soon reach the goal if we enjoy the journey, and if you enjoy the journey of speaking while describing the story of your favorite movie, then it will be good for you, it will be enjoyable for you, it will be interesting for you, and it will be helpful for you, because the things which we enjoy, once we enjoy the journey, the process of completing anything, the process of doing anything, if it is enjoyable, then no one can stop you. For example, when I was the beginner, I used to explain the movies of Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan is my favorite actor, and Aishwarya Rai, and they both are my favorite actor and actresses. And I used to explain their movies like uh, which movie, I don't remember the name of that movie. Shah Rukh Khan and Mohabbatein. That movie I used to explain it a lot of time, and whenever I used to explain them, and I'm not asking you to explain simply each and everything, the scene, describe the scene of the movie, describe each and everything, the dialogues of the movie, the scene of the movie. For example, in Mohabbatein, now lots of it's a long time that I don't remember the detailing of the movie. So I used to the m- detail of the movie. Don't simply say that there was a Shah Rukh Khan and the heroine name was Aishwarya Rai, and they loved each other when they were in the college, and her father was against of her marriage, and she didn't say when she asked her father that she loves a boy who was Shah Rukh Khan. Then her father denied. Her father denied. Then she didn't say a single word of complaint, and she didn't uh, uh, instead to her father that I want to marry. No, she didn't say a single word. She just decided to suicide. And now it's a long time that I watched that movie. But if you want to improve your spoken, you have to tell the story detail wise. While the story start when she used to stand on the bus stop, and he used to stand waiting for her, and there were leaves that were blowing with the air, and she when she got suicide, Shah Rukh Khan was got very sad, and he decided to do something different, not to become Devdas. He decided to become to take revenge. Then he came because Amitabh Bachchan was very, what should I say, was very arrogant at that time. She didn't even think about her daughter's happiness. He just said that no, I don't, I can't give you permission. Then Shah Rukh Khan decided to break his arrogance, and just to because Amitabh Bachchan was against of love, and Shah Rukh Khan decided to break that arrogance and to feel love in the university. That was the university. The name of the university was Gurukul. So I'm just telling simply, but you have to tell the detail wise. So many favorite movies of yours. Watch the movie properly and explain. Try to explain. At least a movie should be explained within 30 minutes, right? It will be really, guys, you can't even imagine how enjoyable, how fruitful, how wonderful it would be for in the growth of your journey of speaking. And you will definitely, when you will tell the story, like as I told you, when you will tell the story, you will also enjoy, and you will definitely remember me in your mind that she was the woman who told us the story, and we are enjoying the story, and you will be thankful. And because daily routine explaining the things sometimes becomes tiring, sometimes becomes very boring. We don't enjoy, we just do, we just explain the things because we want to improve our spoken. But this activity is something different from that, different from the routine, right? So talk, you can also talk about your favorite actor, actresses, cricketer, writer, or what should I say, the YouTubers, whatever the idol, whoever is the idol of yours, talk about that, right? So catch you in the next video. And wait, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because this helped me to work in a better way, and to work in a in a very inspiring way. I become inspired when I get any message, and when I get any subscriber, then I feel really very happy. That motivates me to do better and to work in a better way, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.